Hello students, welcome back. Students, in previous session we learned about origin of river and uses of river water. Today we will discuss about increasing water pollution. Children, we already know that river originates from mountains or hills and ends in a sea or river. During its journey, it crosses through many fields, towns, villages, and cities. Look at the river water at its origin. The river water looks clean and pure. Many plants like lotus, water lily, and hydrilla grow in it. Animals like tortoise, turtles, fish, swans, and ducks live in it. They move freely in the water. Now look at the river water near a city. Does this water look clean? Can you drink this water? No. Now look at this picture. What has happened to these animals? Can you tell me the reason? Yes, water pollution. Now tell me, what is water pollution? Let us discuss. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies like lakes, ponds, oceans, and rivers. Water pollution occurs when harmful materials are directly or indirectly discharged into the water bodies. Let us discuss the causes of water pollution. Main cause of water pollution is disposal of sewage water in the rivers. The bacteria in human waste infects the water and causes diseases. Disposal of industrial waste like harmful solids and chemicals affect the quality of water and aquatic life. Many animals and plants become extinct due to water pollution. Other elements which cause pollution are disposal of garbage in water and human activities like washing and bathing in river water, as it added chemicals in water. Do you know dumping of plastic in water bodies affects the marine life very badly? Kids, what happens when we drink dirty water? The contaminated water can cause many diseases like cholera, giardia, hepatitis A, diarrhea, and typhoid. Chemicals in water can damage the nervous system and also cause cancer. To prevent these diseases, we should drink only boiled or filtered water. Children, now let us see what are the ways to prevent water pollution. Avoid dumping of trash into water systems. Water reserves should not be used for washing clothes and bathing of animals. Proper treatment of sewage and wastewater management. Now, home assignment. Look at the picture and write a story about river's journey. This picture is given in your textbook on page 101. Students, today we learned about water pollution. We will discuss ways of cleaning drinking water in next session. Bye bye.